Welcome back, and thank you for tuning in to U 3.0 Joel Davis on YouTube, Apple, and Spotify. My name is Joel Davis, and this episode is How to Stick the Retirement Landing While Avoiding the Traps, Lies, and Deceptions. It is the last of the 5 episodes that we began just a few weeks ago covering the free How to Stick the Retirement Landing Operating Manual for Men Over 45 document. We're going to give you a step-by-step action plan that you can start on today so that you can stick this retirement landing that may be fast approaching. So here we go. 1. Subscribe to the U 3.0 Personally, Professionally, and Purposefully YouTube channel and join the community. 2. Download the U 3.0 Lifestyle Operating System Guide. Read it and start to work through it. Write down notes and questions. 3. Review this video playlist, U 3.0 Lifestyle Operating System, every template step by step, to guide your completion of all 6 templates that are in the U 3.0 Lifestyle Operating System. 4. Take this guide out and review it again in detail. I'm going to map the retirement guide concepts to the concepts in the Lifestyle Operating System. So the first thing we talk about is identity upgrade. In the Lifestyle Operating System, look at the interior review template on page 11, analyzing your belief system and internal dialogue on page 12, and think about how you will be able to replace the old work identity with new identities based on your purpose, mission, and fulfillment. Speaking of purpose, mission, and fulfillment, in the Lifestyle Operating System, you'll find the table on purpose and mission on page 21. And so be thinking about how you'll be replacing some of the things that were your old purposes or your old missions, perhaps making money or advancing your career, with new ones that will be more impactful, perhaps making a difference in the lives of others. We cover a section on SMART goals in the Lifestyle Operating System. They're on pages 24, 27, and 33. There are 3 separate tables. And in the new version of U 3.0, make sure that those SMART goals are tied to purpose, mission, and fulfillment, and potentially new roles that you hadn't done before. Another thing we talk about in the Lifestyle Operating System is the daily operating system. This is how you structure your day. And in the Lifestyle Operating System, that whole section on properly structuring a daily operating system are pages 34 to 50. And what you're going to want to do is make sure that you go through those sections and read it with your new 3.0 version of yourself in mind. Then in the Lifestyle Operating System, we talk about community and the importance of brotherhood versus isolation. You can find that on pages 50 and 51, the brotherhood of discipline, why you can't do this alone. And there's going to be examples in there about how you can be redeveloping a strong social network of men that you respect and enjoy being with. And hopefully you're getting more and more actively involved in your church, community, or giving back. The other thing that you should do is share all of the above with 2 or 3 of your closest friends. Ask them to join you in this process of sticking the landing. If you can do this with a couple of other people, your chances of success increase exponentially. And of course, that's what U 3.0 and our community is here for. All right, let's wrap it up with what's in it for you if you do this. Well, the U 3.0 Lifestyle Operating System, combined with the Stick the Retirement Landing Guide, helps you, 1, replace drift with direction. No more, I should be happy, so why am I not? Instead, you're going to move from reacting to life to living by design with a clear purpose, mission, and daily structure. Most men don't crash, they quietly fade. This system prevents the slow slide into boredom, isolation, and numbing habits by locking in a mission-driven structure early. 2, you're going to decouple identity from a job title. With work ending, and no longer equals you ending, you shift from being provider-only identity to builder, mentor, contributor, and purpose-driven leader, with or without a paycheck. 3, you regain control of your time. No more days blurring together. Your calendar, routines, and priorities align with who you are becoming, not who you used to be. 4, you're going to strengthen your mental and emotional resilience. Men suffer silently when structure disappears. U 3.0 installs a true daily operating system that rewires your belief and internal talk track. It also leverages a community of men that will not just be by your side, but they'll actually be on your side. And 5, you shift from consumption to contribution. Netflix, Angry Birds, scrolling on social media, those aren't legacy. The U 3.0 Lifestyle Operating System reactivates your need to build, serve, teach, and leave something in people, not just to them. The results? You stick the retirement landing instead of just surviving or trying to survive the fall. Retirement becomes a launch pad, not a cliff. You don't just stop working, you start living with intention, clarity, and momentum. You get to replace all the energy and time that you used to spend at work doing what you had to do to survive with something far more important. You now get to spend your time, talent, and treasure on things that align with your purpose, mission, and goals that bring you deep, satisfying fulfillment. Taken together, the U 3.0 platform helps you finish strong and live the years ahead on purpose. Please subscribe so you can join this community of men who are striving to live purpose-driven lives based on the things in life that really matter: people, relationships, and experiences. In other words, things that provide rich fulfillment to your heart, mind, body, and soul. Please hit me with any questions or comments in the community section or send me a direct email, joeldavisu3.0@gmail.com. One team, one goal. Let's do this together.